years, we had, the other day we had raised the demand that there should be no waiver to the oil companies that are in occupation of the land. Huge tracts of land belonging to the council are in occupation of these oil companies, and they have, failed to pay the dues in time. Now the dues have run into crores of rupees, and there was information that council is trying to waive off about 17 crores. We have discussed the issue with them. They have their own version of the whole thing, that they trying to do some sort of reconciliation with the oil companies. Be that as it may, but what we want to say is, as Nitin has said, there is a huge backlog of pensioners' payments. Salaries are not paid in time. This is something ridiculously wrong in this BJP government. And 4 MLAs of this Mormugao Taluka has 4 MLAs. This is the smallest taluka of Goa. It has 4 MLAs, and they are unable to resolve this kind of issues. Now, one issue that has come to our notice is about octroi. Octroi has been abolished. It is subsumed in the GST regime now that is in practice. But the best part is, octroi, that is a due of the local body, whether it is a panchayat or whether it is a municipality, has been done away with from 2017. See, the injustice caused by the BJP government that is there in this state for the last 12 years against this kind of municipalities and panchayats is here for us to see. Ya municipality almost म्हाका दिसता 10 crore तरी कित्याक हांगा oil companies आसा, and octroi was one subject where the revenue was from the oil companies, petrol dispensation, diesel dispensation. आता कितें जालां, almost 10-11 कोटी या municipality revenue जो येवपाक जाय आशिल्लो, they have just done away with, and they have not compensated them. How are they supposed to survive? This clearly shows that this government has totally failed in its application of its mind. तांकां खबरच ना, तांकां फक्त पॉलिटिक्सच करपाक कळटा हांगा. आमचे इतले निवडून आयले, आमचे तितले निवडून आयले. पयर आतां व्हडलो शो जाल्लो साखळी आनी फोंड्या. आमी जिखले, बीजेपी जिखले. अरे बीजेपी जिखून जाले तरी कितें? हे पळय हांगा भोगता 4 MLA ह्या तालुक्यांतले बीजेपीचे आसून they are suffering. Their staff is suffering. Their pensioners are suffering. They themselves are suffering. This is what we have highlighted today as far as this municipality issue is concerned. सांगपाक ही पार्टी पळय आसा BJP, ते बंडला सांगपाक फाटी रावच ना. What has happened in this case? CM has made a statement on the floor of the house. आसा त्यो फ्लायटी आमी हालय ना. अरे तुका खबर तरी आसा की एअर इंडिया ऑलरेडी गेली म्हणून? आसा त्यो फ्लायटी हालोवच्यो ना म्हणटा तो. ऑलरेडी एअर इंडिया गेली, एक उदाहरण जालें मरे, आनी तूं हालोवचो ना आनी कितें म्हणटा? एक तर तुका तुजें सारकें इन्फॉर्मेशन तुका पावना, नाजाल्यार तूं हें जाणा तरी पूण हें नाकाल्ले फटींगपणाचें स्टेटमेंट करता. सो हें बंडल, what we have said has been proved in the case of Air India. What we are saying now as far as charters are concerned, the charters that come here, so practically सगळे इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी आमची क्रिपल करून उडोवपाचें षडयंत्र ह्या BJP सरकारान रचलां. There is absolutely no shocker for people. More shocks are in waiting from the BJP government. BJP government is only giving shocker after shocker, and I had said it. We all were sitting there. We said it. Air India is under pressure to move away from Daboli. What happened? Same flight from Daboli you have taken and kept it in Mopa. The inconvenience caused to the people of this region, Mormugao, Salsette, Kankon, Kepe, Sange, Phonea, chod karo, even Tiswadi, they have caused tremendous injustice to these people by taking these flights away. And now add to that one more. The BJP leaders immediately castigated us, saying that what we are telling is creating a fear psychosis in the minds of people. We have been proved right. Now more is in store for the people. Already there are moves to pressure Qatar Airways. There is move to pressure Oman Air. There is move to pressure even domestic airlines to move from here. I'll give you one example. हालीच एक अरेबियन ट्रॅव्हल मार्ट म्हणून ATM म्हणून जाला हांगा गल्फाच्या रिजनान, दुबय काय खंय तरी. It was held in the month of May. Goa government almost spent crores of rupees to participate in that as usual. What has happened there? There one government minister was personally escorting all the airlines which I have named and telling them to move to Mopa. नाजाल्यार सांगचें ना म्हणून, नाजाल्यार सांगचें that they are not moving away from here म्हणून. So the ultimate objective is in interest of one private operator, GMR, in the interest of one handling agent called Celebi, one only, 30 to 40% more will have to be shelled out by the passengers who are going there. It is an expensive proposition. काय बरो एअरपोर्ट हांगा आशिल्लो लोकांचो, आमी कांयच उलयना अगेन्स्ट, आमी तांकां म्हणटा एडिशनल फ्लायट्स घाला, आसा त्यो कित्याक काडटा. This was the only issue. So one minister himself has escorted all these airline bosses and told them to move from here, we will give all the facilities. They are not concerned about the people. That is what we want to point out. Very bad days are in store. Again I am coming, 4 MLAs of these 3 BJP MLAs and 1 supporting MLA of this taluka, Salsete सोडूनच जे Salsete, ह्या तालुकान इकॉनॉमिक एक्टिविटी जे एअरपोर्टाक लागून जनरेट जाताली, that is almost getting crushed. This is another shocker of the BJP government.
ब्लॉकाचे प्रेसिडेंट आम्ही आयज चेअरपर्सन चीफ ऑफिसर पार्टीचे कावन्सिलरांक मेळ्ळे. आमचो इश्यू HPCLाचे जे सेटलमेंटाचेर प्लस आयज म्युन्सिपालिटीची जी परिस्थिती आहे, आर्थीक परिस्थिती आहे, तेजेर डिस्कशन करपाक आमी कितें डिसिजन घेतलें आनी आमचो एक सजेशन दिवपाक गेलें की तांकां HPCL आतां सपोज लँड दिता तें बरें, आपण तेजे कितें सेटलमेंट कितें मेळटा तें घेया, कित्याक पेन्शनर्स खुबशे आसा आनी प्लस ग्रॅच्युटी लोकांचे दिवपाची आनी खूब वर्सां दिल्ली ना आनी त्या लोकांनी आमकां लोकांक एप्रोच केल्ले म्हणून आमी तो इश्यू मुद्दाम म्हाका डिस्कस करपा येयले चेअरपर्सनाक चीफ ऑफिसराक. एट द सेम टायम म्युन्सिपालिटी जे पयलीं तांकां ऑक्ट्रा येताली, पण जेन्ना GST लागू जालें तेन्ना ऑक्ट्रा येताले तेन्ना सॅलरी फंड म्हणून येताले, डेव्हलपमेंट फंड येताले, पण एडजस्ट जाताले तेंचे. पण आयच्या परिस्थितीन तांकां जेन्ना GST लागला तेंच्यांनी GST पे करता हे लोकांचे ते रेंट घेता आनी GST लावन घेता, पण 17 तारीख 17 अजून पर्यंत तांकां 22 पर्यंत कांय GST इनपूट रिटर्न येवंक ना. तेज्या परून तेंची आर्थीक परिस्थिती खूब बिगड जाली आसा. जाल्यार तेजेर आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक अशें की गव्हर्मेंटान हेचेर लक्ष दिवंक जाय. एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंट फेलियर आसा हितून. गव्हर्मेंटाक खबर आसा की वास्को कसो इश्यू जाता पेमेंटा खातीर, 3 म्हयन्यान 6 म्हयने सॅलरी जायना, लोकांचो इश्यू आसा आनी ती मॅचअप जायना, ते इन्कम येता ते एक्सपेंडिचर मॅचअप जायना. ते सजेशनाक आमी आज डिस्कस करपा येयले.
Chief Officer and the other chairperson and all this, that the areas of HPCL that they are supposed to pay, that they owe the Murmugaon Municipal Council. Now because of this, there are a lot of salary payments, pension payments that have been pending. Now only once we recover from HPCL, who is supposed to pay the areas to the municipality, there are a lot of people who are going to benefit. So having a word with them technically and legally, there is a demand notice that has been sent to the HPCL, and now I probably feel they have challenged the demand notice, and it is at the stage of conciliation, which is a procedural thing that has to be followed by the entire thing. So right now we have to make our moves, and the Congress party is demanding that the government looks into it, that the areas have to be paid, and the people who are suffering because the areas are not paid have to be considered.